Yeah, greetings. Me and my general there, you know, over the coast. Yeah, a day approach TV with the panty. Remember the Crocus Bag Farmer, yeah, the peanut rat. Yeah, and see my general over here saw some peanut sipping my make. And me make on the seat, see? Alright, bless up on yourself, see? Alright, yeah. I just say, you know, me have a whole bunch of peanuts in my pan here, so. But I want to show you my general right here, so. See? You see my general right there, so. And the peanut sip in my deal with, see? Straight peanut sip. See? More life. So you know, so the peanut is on the rising. A pure peanut we are juggler foreign, so nobody go on like so you think I joke. I ain't at the party, out in the street, at the customer them right now. So nobody stress out yourself and think say juggling are gonna die. The juggling will never die. You see it, Rastafari. Yeah. Bless up on yourself. Nobody stress. Yeah. Greetings, yo. You know, see the peanut them here from St. Elizabeth. Straight from St. Elizabeth. Roast, raw.
Roast, raw peanut.
Anything, roast or raw. Alright, Jenna. See them up on the Bluetooth and the YouTube and the YouTube. Yo, we don't want no peanut, no St. Elizabeth peanut. Real peanut me having. I don't want any real peanut. Yeah, raw, roasted. Generals, see it there? See generals them then. Yeah, I come through on the half time. Yo, we don't want no nutritional factors. Peanut and them thing there. Yeah, that's how you look the man on the ball field. See it here, you know? Yo, me have a nutritional factor, you know? You don't need nothing. Eh? Nutritional factor, me have. Nutritional factor. What you say? Yo, anybody get peanut or win, you know? A Jamaican peanut, this, you know? You see him? Yo, if you don't want to win, you get some Jamaican peanut. Real Jamaican peanut. Yo, I victory peanut. Victory peanut, this. Yeah, man, see me talks them there. Yeah. Yeah, man, at Juventus. The real side. And the victory peanut me I bring in.
Alright.
Yeah. See it there? A more life and a more joy and a more happiness. Yeah. I have the box right here. Yeah, we don't want no victory peanut. Don't want no peanut. Roasted peanut.
We win enough already.
Don't want no roasted peanut. Magnum, nothing, raw peanut. General, I see you, you're up on the phone. Yeah. More life, more joy for every little girls and boy. Yeah. Yo, greetings. Yeah. Yes, sir. Some peanut me have in a general. You want a roasted peanut? Straight roasted. Magnum me have, yeah. Straight from yard. Now give it just for $5. Yeah. See it? You can tell a yard man a big gun them man your boss. Magnum. Yeah, me up on the YouTube I go and big up my business. That's the Crocus Bag Farmer thing, you know. Give thanks to General, more life. Straight from St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, bringing you live. Yeah. Yeah, more life and more joy and more happiness. See my generals them here. See it there? The industry is on the rise. We not take no prisoners and we not take no bribes. And natural things me deal with still, you know. See it there, you know? Natural things me deal with. A $5 we are selling for, you know?
Everything at $5?
Yes, I. 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Put that. Yeah, man, a number that's serious. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's serious. It's a meal. It's also a steal.
End of the first half.
Give thanks, General. More life. I hope you don't mind if you are my first custody. I was scared for the year. Yeah, you see it? A YouTube with that one. Deep Roots TV. See in Deep Roots TV. And that's how you see the Crocus Bag industry grow. Yeah. Yeah, remember the Rasta of the Peanut? Crocus Bag. Riding through. We are working it. Yeah. Yo, a more life, a more joy, and a more nappiness. Roasted peanut. Yeah, me have it, see? See it there? Yo, I want to self-duplicate myself. Eh? Buffalo. I'm there in New York probably still. I don't see him for a minute. I just come from a yard yesterday. Just come from a yard yesterday. See it here? Greetings, greetings. Roasted peanut me straight from Jamaica.
A Super League match.
Yeah, man, I promote for real.
Pitching Lauderdale International.
Straight Jamaican thing me I deal with. Straight Jamaican thing.
Lauderdale Lake Blazers.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. I buy about 5 of them.
That's coming to you
I'll bring it up.
sometime around 8:15.
So if you want one,
this
me share
evening.
it. Come on, grab it, man. Give me a $5 fee. See it, me have one left. Me I'll keep that one.
In
Me
the
not
meantime,
sell it.
we'd once again like to thank our sponsors.
Yo,
The City of
life,
Lauderdale.
hey, life great, you know. Marcus Garvey say, yo, real men create them own job. They don't want to give me no work. Me just
Crocus
sell things
Bag.
from Jamaica. Naira
Green
Pity.
medicine.
Yeah, thank you very much, General.
Medical
Yes, I
marijuana.
owe my people them $150 before me leave.
And
See?
shipping.
And them say them know me good feet. Them know me good feet, so me have to go on good feet.
Shipping.
Peanuts, me have peanuts, roasted peanuts, straight from Jamaica.
Green
Lava ground. Where are they live?
Mr. Mariano, sir.
See them there? Give me a $5 and take it. You see,
Number 2.
them thing that we are doing a forest.
Also.
See, we have pimento straight from Jamaica. Straight? What? What do you mean?
And then vegetarian soup.
Not tomorrow, Sunday. Dinner, rice and peas. Yo, them don't know how we do it. Yo, straight.
You want any of them?
Straight from Jamaica.
You want any of them, Mariano, sir?
Straight from no, Jamaican pimento, a high grade, you can smell that in the bag, you know.
Jamaica, we carry it from Jamaica.
Oh, you have it. She got it right here. The real Jamaica pimento, we just don't care. Yeah. So we deal with it. Really hard stuff. See, we don't give no fuss. Rastafari soldier, Crocus Bag Farmer. More life, more joy, more happiness. I love the people, I say.